Hey chefs, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rich. Today I'll be going over how to use the Remix plugin on Cookbook. We'll go through Cookbook and launch a contract via Remix, and then we'll deploy a simple ERC20 token. First, what is Remix? Remix is a web and desktop application that provides an IDE for writing, testing, and deploying smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Alright devs, let's get started. So as of right now, I'm on Cookbook.dev. As you can see here on the front page, we have contracts, we have protocols, we have chains, we have all this good stuff. But as of right now, we are going to focus on the simple ERC20 token contract that OpenZeppelin has provided for us. As you can see, it's already on the front page. So luckily we could just go ahead and click this button and it'll take us to the contract itself. As you can see here, we expose name, symbol, and total supply of the contract. And if you have any questions on how to use this contract, we provide Chef GPT where you could ask him anything you want to help you out on how to use this contract. There's also documentations of how to use this contract, so we have all this good functionality for you. But one thing that we want to focus on is using this contract, and Remix makes it super easy to use this contract to test, to deploy, to debug Solidity contracts. So as you can see here on the right panel, we have open in Remix, open in VS Code, open in Chain ID, and open in Atlas. Today we're going to be showing you how to use it in Remix. Go ahead and click Remix. Here you're going to get permission alert. Go ahead and just accept, and as you can see, the Cookbook has exported all the files from Cookbook into Remix. So essentially the code that you saw earlier on Cookbook is here on Remix. If you go in the left panel, you'll see all the file that was exported into Remix. We are currently looking at the simple token.solidity file, and this is what we are going to use to compile. And what's great about Remix is that this IDE in the browser could automatically compile it for you to test and debug. So let's go ahead and compile this contract. As you can see, the compilation has been successful. And let's go ahead and deploy it. So right beneath it, you could go ahead and deploy and run transactions. So let's go ahead and click this on the left panel. And here we have all these different inputs that you can do. As of right now, you could set up your environment. There's a lot of virtual machines that Remix has to offer, but as of right now, let's go ahead and use an injected provider. A lot of people use MetaMask, myself included. So let's go ahead and click MetaMask. And as you can see, it will import my MetaMask data into the browser. As of right now, I'm using the Sequoia network, so we're going to be testing on that network for the moment. Let's go ahead and make some changes. Here we can simply name the contracts, and so as of right now, we're going to deploy it. Go ahead and click this drop down. We are going to name our token. So let's go ahead and name this Rich Cookbook coin. A symbol will be RCC. The total supply, since it's a UINT 256, I need to convert it because I can't do the decimal point in my head. So for example, if I want the total supply to be 100, I'm going to go to Ether and put in 100, and it'll give me the way amount. So let's go ahead and copy this. Go ahead and put the total supply, and let's go ahead and deploy this. MetaMask opened up, and it looks like we have to confirm the transaction. And as you can see here in the console, the creation of the fixed token is pending, so let it do its magic. It looks like there has been a success. And what's cool about Remix is that you could either debug or you could just hit the drop down to see all the information that it has. So as of right now, the contract address is right over here. I'm going to go ahead and copy. I'm going to go to my MetaMask again. I'm going to go to tokens, and then I'm going to import tokens. And right now I have copied the contract address, and let me go ahead and paste it. As you can see, it has already populated the token symbol and the token decimal. Let's go hit next, and I am now going to have a balance of 100 RCC. Let's go ahead and import, and as you can see, I now have 100 RCC in my MetaMask wallet. What's really cool is I could also make transaction from this account through Remix. So what I am going to do is I am going to go to my second account, which is right over here. I am going to copy my wallet address on my second account. Let me go back to my original account. And what I can do is I could go through the deployed contracts here on the left panel, and then these are some read and write functions. So for example, if I want to transfer some of my tokens from my original account, because as of right now I have the injected provider is my account number 1 of MetaMask wallet, I can go to transfer, hit this drop down button, and I want to transfer to my second address. So as of right now, this is my second address on my MetaMask account. Let's go ahead and do an amount of 10 tokens. So let's go back to the converter, and I want to transfer 10 tokens. So let's go ahead and copy the way, and go ahead and let's go ahead and hit paste, and let's go ahead and transact. MetaMask will ask me to confirm. Let's go ahead and confirm. On the console, transact to fixed token transfer is pending. It looks like it is a success. Here again, we can either debug or we can see all the information that it has provided for us. But let's go ahead and look at my MetaMask. So we're in account 1. It looks like I sent 10 RCC tokens. If I go to account 2, oh, it looks like I haven't imported the tokens yet. So let me go ahead and copy the contract address. Let me scroll back up, and I think it is here, contract address. Let me go ahead and import tokens. Next. And it looks like I already have a balance of 10 RCC tokens. So as you can see, we were able to do all of this just through Remix, which makes it a really powerful tool. Really hope you like this tutorial. We are looking forward to doing more tutorials like this with Cookbook and Remix. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment below, or feel free to reach out to us. Catch you in the next video. Thanks again. Bye.